Hello and welcome to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So today we're going to focus on the Juvias Place the Douce palette. So we're going to be doing the second look with this, and we're going to be focusing, well, not really focusing on the second row, but we are going to be using this macaroon shade here from the second row. I think that's it. We used this this creme shade in the first look, so I don't really want to use that again, although I really do like it. So let's just go in with Berry Mousse for the crease. But before I do that, I actually need to put my base down. Right, so I haven't got the NYX white base down that I normally use. I'm just going to go in with the white chocolate shade though, and put that all over the lid. Okay. Right, and what I'm going to do, rather than zoom in, I'm just going to bring the tripod closer. Okay, that might be okay. And then, yeah, we're going to go in with Berry Mousse. I'm just going to colour switch the brush. I'm going to have to go to my mum's soon, so it's just going to be a really quick look. That's why I've chosen this palette to use today and not the Wanderlust by Profusion Cosmetics. So I brought this out initially to see if I wanted to keep it in the collection. I mean, there's shades in here that I want to keep it for, but when I did that first look, I really did like the way this shade was looking tight. I mean, it is crumbly. I can't deny that it is crumbly in the pan, and it's also crumbly in the finger. But yeah, I mean, I think I'll keep the palette. Not really showing up this Berry Mousse shade. It's only supposed to be a wash of colour anyway, but I remember it being more pigmented than this. So you can barely see it. Right, and then we're going to go in with Crepes. So I'm going to put this shade in the outer V and then take it through the crease. It's like a reddy brown. Even this isn't showing up that much. I think it's a brush, you know. This eyeshadow brush is brilliant for some eyeshadows, but not too good for others. I'm going to try and find a different brush in a minute. It's definitely more pigmented this side, so I've gone in a little bit harder. Let's try and do that again on the right side. Yeah, now that we need to blend. And then we're just going to use the accent brush, and we're going to use macaron all over the eyelid. Like I said, it really is just a simple eye look. I'm not changed my mind on this. I absolutely love this shade. It's a gorgeous green that. I wouldn't mind actually wetting the brush and seeing how much more foiled and pigmented we can get it. Doesn't need it, but I've never done that before, so I just thought I'd try. I feel like there's a party going on my eyes. Nice sparkly green party. That is so pretty. I need to go in again with the brown shade though, because I've lost some of it. The crepe shade. Just on this side. Because I do want some of that there, and then we'll do it again on the left side. Although most of that has stayed. Right, and then we need a lash line colour. Probably just use that crepe shade. Or shall I use custard? Yeah, let's go, because I don't know if I'm going to try that as a look. Let's go mad and use custard. Right, and then we need an inner corner highlighter shade. Let's go in with Tarte. Get a bit more use out of that shade. Yes. I'm gonna run it into the green a little bit. That's super pretty. And then we'll do the other eye. Wow, that is so nice. And I like that blend, so I don't need to blend it out anymore. So let me just go and get my mascara and my eyeliner to tightline with, and I'll be back. Okay, so let's start by tightlining with the usual Too Faced eyeliner I'm using. Feeling sick today, and I've got to go to I'm going to my mum's in a minute for my tea. Which isn't great. Not that going to my mum's, it's just like feeling sick. It's come out of nowhere. Right, and I want to wear Velvet Smack Teddy because it's quite neutral on the eyes. It's really, really bright, so let's pop this on. And guys, that is the finished look. This really needs a little bit of a blend actually. Right, we'll just leave it there. It's not the best, but yeah, this is the finished look. I've got something on my mouth. Why does it feel there's a hair there? So yeah guys, that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean a lot that you have. If you've not already subscribed, please click that subscribe button and notifications bell. It would really help out the channel and it would make my day as well. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.